Setting up Google Merchant Center for WooCommerce is a straightforward process that helps you manage your online store's product data and advertise on Google. To begin, create a Google Merchant Center account by going to the Google Merchant Center website and signing in with your Google account. Next, verify your business by adding your business information and website URL. This step is crucial as it ensures that you are the legitimate owner of the business and website. You can verify your website by adding a meta tag, uploading an HTML file, or using the Google Tag Manager. After verifying your business, you need to set up your WooCommerce store. Install the Google Merchant Center plugin for WooCommerce, which allows you to easily manage your product data and sync it with Google Merchant Center. Configure the plugin by entering your Google Merchant Center account ID and setting up the product data feed. The product data feed is a crucial step as it allows Google to access your product information. Make sure to include all the required attributes such as product title, description, price, and image. You can also include additional attributes such as product category, brand, and color to enhance your product listings. Once you have set up the product data feed, you need to configure your shipping and tax settings. Accurate shipping and tax information is essential to ensure that your customers receive accurate pricing and delivery estimates. You can set up different shipping rates and rules based on location, weight, and other factors. Finally, submit your products to Google Merchant Center for review. This process may take a few days, and you will receive an email notification once your products are approved. After approval, you can start advertising your products on Google and track their performance using the Google Merchant Center dashboard. Best practices for setting up Google Merchant Center for WooCommerce include regularly updating your product data feed, ensuring accurate shipping and tax information, and monitoring your product performance. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively set up Google Merchant Center for your WooCommerce store and increase your online visibility and sales.